Good morning, students. Today in EVS class, I will start with the new lesson, lesson 11. And lesson 11 is based on early humans life. Early humans आप लोगों को पता है जो जब लाइफ शुरू हुई थी सबसे पहले जो humans हुए थे on earth, that are called early humans. So the question is, what was the life of early humans? So it was the beginning of human life on the earth. ये human life की beginning थी earth पर. When they lived in forest and caves. Students, as we live in our houses, in our flats, but when life started on the earth, then human beings lived in the forest and caves. And what is the meaning of caves? गुफा. पहले वो गुफाओं में रहते थे, जंगलों में रहते थे, जहाँ कहीं रहने की जगह मिलती थी, जहाँ भी उन्हें शेल्टर मिलता था, they lived in that. So now I will read side by side from the book. First I will explain you the life of early humans. So please open your book and read it with me. Life of early humans. Can you think of a life where there is no house to live in, no cooked food to eat, and no fashionable clothes to wear? We are talking here about the life of early humans. It was the beginning of human life on the earth, when they lived in forests and caves. It's clear from your answers that there is a big difference between the life of early humans and your life. See how you live in your life and what is your lifestyle, that is totally different from the early humans life. Let's understand more about the life of early humans. First, food. Now students, you can compare your food with early humans food. What you eat today, what you have eaten today: bread, butter, milk, chapati, rice, dal, rajma rice, chole bhature, puri chole. You eat that in your lunch, breakfast, dinner. You eat snacks also. Your mother cooked it well. But how they ate? Early humans used to live in groups in the jungle. They did not know how to grow crops in fields, and finding food was not easy. Growing crops means फसलें उगाना. जैसे आजकल तो किसान फसलें उगाते हैं and we get from that and we cook it at home. They used to go from place to place in search of food. In the beginning, humans used to eat fruits and roots of plants. Later, they started hunting animals for food. But they could not kill large animals with bare hands. पहले वो जंगली जानवर को हाथों से नहीं मार सकते थे. ऑब्वियसली जानवर जो है वो बहुत बड़े होते हैं, लेकिन हम उनको ऐसे ही बिना हाथ में कोई टूल लिए उनको नहीं मार सकते. तो अर्ली ह्यूमन्स भी ऐसे ही करते थे, उनको हाथों से नहीं मार सकते थे. एंड व्हाट दे डिड, सो दे स्टार्टेड यूजिंग शार्प एज्ड स्टोन्स टू किल एनिमल्स. तीखे स्टोन लिए उन्होंने, जिसकी एज जो थी वो शार्प करते थे या शार्प होती थी, उससे एनिमल्स को किल करते थे. These tools also help them in protecting themselves from wild animal attacks. They used to eat raw meat as they did not know how to cook food. Cooking might have been discovered when some piece of meat accidentally fell into the fire. Cooked food was tastier and softer than the raw meat. So gradually humans learned to cook food. Gradually means slowly, धीरे धीरे. सबसे पहले उन्होंने कच्चा खाना खाया. अगर किसी एनिमल को मारते थे, मांस कच्चा होता था, वो वही खाते थे. लेकिन धीरे धीरे उन्होंने खाना पकाना शुरू किया. एंड हाउ दे यूज्ड टू कुक फूड, आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस इन द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, डिस्कवरी ऑफ फायर. हाउ अर्ली ह्यूमन्स लर्न टू डिस्कवर अ फायर. So I will tell you one story. One day early humans were playing with the stones. Suddenly they started rubbing two stones together, and what they saw, They saw that fire comes from that two stones. And what happened at next? Fire comes from the stones, and one day he was eating the raw meat, कच्चा मांस खा रहा था. And what happened? Accidentally that piece of meat fell into the fire. By chance वो उस आग में गिर गया. Then he has taken out that meat from the fire and he starts eating that. And what he felt? He felt that this gives the delicious taste of that meat. So students, what did they use fire? They used fire to cook. खाना बनाने में उसने फायर का यूज किया. Keep warm in winter, सर्दियों में गर्मी लेने के लिए यूज किया. Light up their caves, अपनी गुफाओं में रोशनी के लिए इसको यूज किया. And scare away animals, और जानवरों को डराने के लिए अर्ली ह्यूमन ने फायर का इस्तेमाल किया. And use of fire. So I will read it from the book also. Discovery of fire was a big event in the life of early humans. They used fire to cook, keep warm in winter, light up their caves and scare animals. So today in this class I have discussed only these 2 points of early humans. First is food and second one is discovery of fire. So you have to read the chapter very carefully and learn the difficult spelling so that your vocabulary should be improved. Thank you.